Alright, welcome to this section of the training. Now in this section I'll be showing you how to design an e-commerce store. Alright, so the first thing we are going to be doing is to install WordPress in our domain. Okay, so from here all you need to do is click WordPress. Okay, so when you click WordPress, okay, under this Softaculous apps installer, it takes you to this particular area. Okay, so right here you can see the installations I've done previously. Okay, so what I will do, I'll come here and click install now. Okay, so come here and choose the domain you want to install. Okay, in your own case you just have just one domain. In my own case, I'm installing into a subdomain. Okay, the subdomain is store.urbanonlinelab.com. so you just click on it. So next up, okay, I'm going to put a site name here. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so I'm going to move this. Okay, this is site name. Okay, then the site description. Okay, so I'm going to put in the username. Okay, username is store. Okay, so next up I'm going to put, okay, so I've inputted my password. Now make sure the password is over 35. Okay, so and you enter the email, the admin email of the account. Okay, all right, so right here I'm going to put an email to receive, okay, my details, okay, my login details. So I'll click install. Okay, so you can see WordPress is installing. Alright, so it has finished installing, so I can right click here, open a new tab. Right click this one, open a new tab. Okay, to view both the front end and the admin area of my website. Okay, so you can see it is loading up. Alright, so in the next section we'll be installing the necessary plugins and themes, okay, we need for our websites.